In this video, I want to show you how to install a saddle flashing for your flat tile roof. I already installed our tile pans on both sides. If you remember, we brought them up about 14 inches or so, and the reason for this is when we're installing our saddle flashing comes up 14 inches. So ideally you want your tile pans to come pretty much right around your saddle pan. A little bit more or less does not hurt. And we've already cut this down. You can leave about a 1/4 inch gap on each side, but what this does is make sure that any water that comes here, again, is going, hitting that lip and traveling down. We don't want water to travel across our roof. We want it to travel down the tile pan, and that's what we're going to use the saddle to direct the water where we want it. So I place this here. The first thing I'm going to do is mark both ends in order to cut and bend it down. Of course, we don't want to leave it like this because we don't want to trap water. We want to cut these ears off to allow water to go down. So you can see I've cut it all the way down to our marking. However, I have left this lip of about 1.5 to 2 inches on each side. And what I'm going to do with this lip is actually bend it down over the saddle. So we've got this in place right now, and you can see this lip here is sticking out. So what we're going to do is just gently bend it over. Now the last thing that we have to do is put adhesive, put some caulking back there. I like to use a sheet metal adhesive, so we're going to put that back here, put this in place, and make sure we have a watertight system. So we really want to focus on this corner here, and come up and across here diagonal. Now you should do that on both sides, but for this demonstration I'm just going to do this one side here. And what you really want to see is as you're pressing this down, for that adhesive to be coming out of that corner. We've got this corner sealed, so any water that comes on top of the saddle is going to come, hit this tile pan, and go down the roof. The last thing to do is installing underlayment. Again, we want to install underlayment in a pattern from bottom to top to make sure that any water that's coming traveling on top of the underlayment is going to come on top of this flashing and not go underneath. Just like always, anytime we're using a self-adhered underlayment, we want to prime it first to improve adhesion. Alright, now just to install your underlayment, extremely simple. The way I like to do it is leave about a 3-4 inch gap here on the tile pan. Again, you got your tile pan coming up 14 inches, so we're not really concerned about this bottom 2-3 inches. We don't want to leave it exposed to the sun. So just remove the adhesive backing. On this top side, you want to make sure that you lap it properly moving forward. And of course, around chimneys and penetrations, I'm not going to do this right now. But you want to cut this and weave it together as you regularly would. So there you have it. You're ready to pretty much install your tile on top of this. Just keep in mind, you don't want to be installing nails right here in the tile pan. You always want to install nails above about 10 inches at least. You want to leave for water to travel. No nails on your tile pans or your saddles, and you'll be good to go. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and do all that good stuff. We have a bunch of other videos for flat tile roof installation tutorials. If we're missing something, let us know and we'd like to fill it out for you. Thanks for watching.